a complex fermented polyherbal formulation in Ayurveda, known as Lodhrasvam, prepared by approx 30 herbal ingredients, where Lodhra is considered as the major ingredient. Owing to its broad spectrum of therapeutic benefits and the inherent properties of the herbal ingredients, Lodhra Sava could be deemed to be a curative and wellness product. Hello and welcome to Agumbe Herbs. Thanks for the social media platforms which help company like us to showcase some of the most important Ayurvedic health tonics, Lodhra Sava and Loha Sava, its health benefits and live preparation in our standardized GMP plant, which are equipped with multiple extractors and reactors, including food processing machine, fermentation room, bulk storage area, pulverizing section and more. Starting with preparation of Lodhra Sava. Each ingredient is meticulously selected for its unique properties and combined to create a synergistic formula. More than 30 herbs like Lodhra, Vurva, Shati, Vidanga, Bharagi, Tagra, Vyagranakha, Vusta, Pujja, Pushta, Puga, Priyangu, Ativisha, Chitraka, Rat, Indravaruni, Vak, Sukshma Ela, Tejpatra, Nakesra, Gunimba, Katurohini, Yavni, Pushkara, Patha, Granthi, Chavya, Haritki, Vibhitaki and Amlaki. Some of these herbs are first washed, dried and coarsely pulverized for decoction. Water as per prescribed quantity are taken. Quality herbs which were pulverized are added to the water and left to boil in an extractor until the mixture get reduced to 1/4. The reduced herbal decoction then filtered out from extractor and shifted to reactor, further adding jaggery and mixed well with the decoction for several hours and refiltered from reactor using cotton cloth. After the decoction is cooled, natural honey is added and left for hours. The said herbal decoction of Lodhra Sava are filled into the earthen pots, and the lid of earthen pots are sealed with clay-seamed cloth and kept for fermentation for 45 days. After a specified period of fermentation process, the liquid syrup of Lodhrasva and Lohasva is decanted and bottled for further use. Health benefits of Lodhrasva. Lodhra holds high significance in treating a host of disorders. It is a magical remedy for treating numerous gynecological problems and hormonal anomalies like leukorrhea, a thick, whitish, or yellowish vaginal discharge, menopause, menstrual disorders, pain in menstrual cycles, or the absence of menstruation yeast infection. Deemed as a powerful female-friendly herb, Lodhra is a boon for treating numerous hormonal problems. Not only does it help in treating endometriosis, that is, inflammation of the lining of the uterus, but also normalize FSH and LH levels within the blood, which thereby helps in regulating overall body development, growth, pubertal maturation, strengthens the female reproductive organs, and stimulates the ovaries to produce eggs that mature into follicles. Being a powerful uterine tonic, regular use of this herb's imbued formulation improves fertility. Intake of Lodhra formulations actively helps in purifying the blood and restores uterus health, leading to regular healthy menstrual cycles. Blessed with potent hepatoprotective and hepatostimulative properties, Lodhra makes for a magical remedy for most liver anomalies, especially jaundice, in which the liver gets mostly affected. The herb not only provides support to the liver functioning by secreting bile, but also helps the liver enzymes to tune down to normal levels. It also cleanses and detoxifies the liver and improves liver functioning. Powered with powerful anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, and anti-asthmatic properties, Lodhra is considered to be a well-known traditional remedy for all sorts of respiratory troubles. It is quintessential in treating the common cold, sore throat, cough and flu symptoms. It actively helps the body to get rid of mucus and hence eases breathing. It is also beneficial for treating asthma and other bronchial conditions. The abundance of hypoglycemic property in Lodhra holds high significance in reducing the blood sugar levels of the body. The production of insulin from the pancreatic beta cells becomes active on taking the bark powder. It helps to reduce the breakdown of starch into glucose, which in turn leads to low blood glucose levels. Imbued with excellent carminative and digestive properties, Lodhra even helps in treating a host of digestive woes. The anti-flatulent property reduces the formation of gas in the alimentary canal, thus reducing flatulence, bloating, constipation, and abdominal distension. The potent antacid property of the herbs prevents the formation of excessive acids in the stomach, thereby treating indigestion, ulcer, gastritis, and promoting better absorption of nutrients in the body. An aggravation of the pitta doshas within the body may lead to different types of skin infections like eczema, acne, and poor complexion. Sanctified with antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, Ayurveda acknowledges Lodhra as a well-known one-step remedy for various skin conditions. Owing to its blood-purifying properties, which helps in removing toxins from the blood, it helps in treating a host of skin infections as well. It not only helps in shielding the skin from oxidative radical damage due to the harmful UVA and UVB rays, but also reduces the risk of the various signs of aging like wrinkles, blemishes, spots, fine lines, and dark circles. However, a very simple and amazing natural remedy for your skin to be more radiant. Using of Agumbe herbs Lodhrasva 15 to 20 milliliters mixed with equal amount of warm water twice a day after meals and Agumbe herbs Lodhra powder formulated by using vacha and coriander seeds. Make a paste of Lodhra powder using water or coconut milk or rose water and apply evenly on the face avoiding your eyes twice a week. Allow to dry it for 15 to 20 minutes, then gently scrub the face, rinse with warm water, and apply a mild aloe vera moisturizer. Lodhra has a direct effect on female hormones, thus decreasing testosterone and cholesterol levels and increasing estrogen and progesterone levels. It is not suitable for long-term use in men, as its anti-androgen effect reduces male sex hormones such as testosterone. Preparation of Loha Sava. Ingredient taken for Loha Sava are as follows. Loha Churna, Shunti, Maricha, Pippali, Haritki, Vibhitki, Amlaki, Yavni, Vidanga, Vusta, Eranda, Dhatki, Madhu, and Gura. Preparation method is same as shown in the preparation of Lodhra Sava. Additionally, Dhatki flour are added before going for fermentation. Health benefits of Loha Sava. When tiredness, exhaustion, or dullness is persistent and doesn't budge, even if you have a peaceful sleep, it's time to get checked, as these are some symptoms of anemia. Anemia is a health condition when there is a deficiency of red blood cells. Having a low supply of red blood cells decreases the hemoglobin and oxygen as well, which in turn makes one feel tired and exhausted most of the time. While there are numerous forms of anemia, the most common type, plaguing several individuals, is iron deficiency anemia, which chiefly arises due to the absence of iron-rich food supplements in the regular diet. Ayurveda, the holistic system of medicine, brings you one extraordinary remedy for anemia and its underlying symptoms in the form of Loha Sava. Loha Sava is an Ayurvedic proprietary medication in the form of liquid, comprising naturally processed iron, which plays a vital role to pacify kapha and vata doshas imbalance. Loha Sava is a one-shot antidote for dealing with Pandu Roga or iron deficiency. Loha Sava shows beneficial effects in anemia, hepatitis, spleen enlargement, fatty liver, jaundice, malabsorption syndrome, cough, asthma, etc. Owing to its Lechnia quality, it readily promotes weight loss by discarding the waste and accumulated fats in the body. In people combating severe anemia, the pulse rate and heartbeat become rapid and irregular. Usage of Loha Sava, along with Arjuna powder, helps diminish the symptoms of anemia and boosts the overall functioning of the heart. Cures liver anomalies. Bequeathed with dominant hepatoprotective and hepatostimulative properties, this refined iron-rich formulation is effective in treating of liver aberrations like jaundice, hepatitis, cirrhosis, etc. Treats anorexia. Anorexia nervosa is an eating disorder. Some scientific studies also correlated to mental health as the individual suffers from extreme weight issues, fear of becoming obese, poor self-esteem, and a fierce desire to reduce weight in any way possible. Anorexia chiefly occurs due to Agni Mandya, that is, weak digestion, and is majorly provoked by a disruption of the normal Vata, Pitta, and Kapha dosha levels in the body. Loha Sava, being a natural digestive and appetizer, improves the digestion of food, promotes appetite, and warrants that the person eats healthily. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with your friends and close ones. Don't forget to watch our upcoming videos of Chavanprash, Supari Pak, Ashwagandhadi Layam, Shatavari Guda, Dashmularishta, Ashwagandharishta, Balarishta, Dhanvantari Tela, Rahingamlaki Tela, Kumkumadi Telam, and more. Thanks for staying connected with us. See you soon in our next highly informative video. Points to be noted before consuming any asva or arishta. Pregnant and lactating women, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. People with diabetics should consider sugar intake and choose sugar-free alternatives if available. If you're in any medications, always consult your doctor before consuming asava. Allergies. Be mindful of possible allergic reactions and stop consumption if any adverse effects occur. Quality and source. Choose Lodhra Sava and Loha Sava, an Ayurvedic formulary medicine manufactured by Agumbe Herbs, which uses high-quality ingredients and adheres to manufacturing standards. Let's end this video with a request to meet you again soon.